The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for South Central St. Clair County in Alabama, East Central Shelby County in Alabama, Northern Talladega County in East Central Alabama, until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:54 p.m. Central Standard Time, the National Weather Service indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Wilsonville and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Childersburg, Talladega, Westover, Poppersville, Vincent, Logan Martin Dam, Winterboro, Alpine Bay Resort, Coosa Island and Alpine. This includes Interstate 20 exit numbers 165 through 179. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Shelby and St. Clair.